It was a peaceful evening in their home. The woman was sitting on the sofa. She was pregnant. Her hands gently rested on her big belly. She smiled softly, feeling the baby move inside her. The man, her husband, was sitting on a chair near her. He was reading a book, but he looked at her often. He could see how happy she was. He was happy too. They were waiting for their baby to come. The woman looked at her husband and said, "What do you think? Will it be a boy or a girl?" Her voice was soft, and her eyes were full of curiosity. The man put down his book and thought for a moment. Then he smiled. "If it is a boy," he said, "I will teach him many things. I will teach him math. We will play sports together. I will take him fishing. I will teach him how to be strong and kind. He will learn so much from me. We will have a lot of fun together." The woman laughed. She said, "And what if it is a girl?" The man smiled again, but this time, his smile was softer. He looked at his wife with love. "If it is a girl," he said, "I will not need to teach her anything. She will teach me." The woman was surprised. "She will teach you?" she asked. "What do you mean?" The man leaned forward. His voice became warm and full of emotion. "Our daughter," he said, "will teach me how to be better. She will teach me how to dress nicely. She will teach me how to eat politely. She will teach me what to say and what not to say. She will show me how to enjoy the small things in life. She will make me a better person. She will be like my second mother." The woman listened carefully. She felt her heart become warm. The man continued, "Our daughter will love me more than anyone else. She will think I am her hero, even if I don't do anything special. If I say no to her, she will understand. She will never get angry with me. When she grows up, she will want her husband to be like me. No matter how old she becomes, she will always want me to treat her like my little baby. She will protect me. She will fight with anyone who hurts me. And if someone hurts me, she will never forgive that person." The woman smiled, but she also had a question. "So, are you saying a son cannot do these things?" she asked. The man laughed. "No, no," he said. "Our son may do these things too. But he will learn them slowly as he grows up. Daughters, though, are different. They are born with love and care in their hearts. They don't need to learn it. They already know it." The man paused for a moment. Then he said, "This is why being the father of a daughter is so special. It is a blessing. Every father who has a daughter is very lucky." The woman's eyes filled with tears. "But one day," she said, "our daughter will grow up. She will get married. She will leave us and live in her own home." The man reached out and held her hand. He looked at her with gentle eyes. Yes, he said, she will leave our home. But she will never leave our hearts. And we will never leave hers. No matter where she goes, she will carry our love in her heart. And we will carry her love in ours. It does not matter where she is. Our love will always keep us close. The woman wiped her tears and smiled. Daughters are so special, she said softly. They are like angels. The man nodded. Yes, he said. Daughters are angels. They are born with love and care. They make life beautiful. They are blessings. The husband and wife sat together in silence. They thought about their baby. They did not know if it would be a boy or a girl. But they knew one thing for sure. They already loved their baby very much.